Hello, my name is Raphael. Today I will show you how you can install and load packages in R. So to install R packages, you go into R and just type install packages and then the name of the package in quote marks. So I type party kit because I want to install party kit and just hit on run. And then it will download the packet and will compile it. And in a few seconds you should have an installed package. So if you're using RStudio, it's not necessary to type it like this. You just can go on packages and then go on install and just type the name of the package. So here party kit and hit install and it will do the same. So here you can see it's just installing the package. So you see this is really easy. It sometimes requires some time until it's installed. So if you're on a Linux machine or MacOS system, you can use a little trick by install packages and then the name of the package. And then you can also type comma and then NCPUS and a higher number, for example 4. And if you do this, you can install the package not with only one kernel, but with 4 kernels. So this will speed up everything a little bit. After we install the packages, we want to load them. So if you're just using the basic R, you just type library and then the name of the package, party kit, and then run. And then you see what this package is loading. So here you load the package party kit and this also loads 3 other packages, but now you can use it. After you type library and party kit, you can use the functions from the package. But if you're lazy and you don't want to type it, you just can also go here on packages and then here type the name of the package. So party kit, and here you already see this check mark. But if you, for example, I want to also load this package, I just can hit here the check mark and then it will automatically so I just can hit here check mark and it will automatically load the package. So it's basically the same as typing library and the name of the package. Just a short note, if you want to install a package, you type the name of the package in quotes, so party kit. If you want to load the package, you just type it like this here, so without quote marks. And so now we are done. I showed you how you can install and load packages in R. As you see, it's really easy. Just type a line and execute it, or just hit a quote check mark. So really easy. If you have some questions, leave me a comment, and I will try to answer everything. So I thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.